3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Bagon pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan at pinutin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload na video. Kung mga kami sis may video, click the subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description box below. For the racing vlog, Honda NT 1100cc model 2023 spec. SRP 706,000 engine type parallel twin, engine displacement parallel twin, double overhead cam, 4-stroke,
1 hour later.
Single cylinder, engine displacement 1048 cubic centimeter, 4-stroke 92 by 0 by 81.5 mm, maximum power 101 horsepower at 7,500 rpm, maximum of torque 77 kilo at 6,250 rpm. Compression ratio 10 by 1 by 1. Ball train, single overhead cam, 4 bulbs, fueling to 44 mm throttle bodies, transmission speed 6 speed, fully and semi automatic, clutch, wet and multi-plate, fully automatic, final drive, 525 chain, frame steel, semi double cragdale, front suspensions, travel and brake preload, adjustable Showa fork and 43 mm inverted fork, 5.9 inch rear suspension, travel linkage, assisted spring preload, adjustable Showa shock, 5.9 inch wheel cause aluminum, front tire size 120 by 70 by 17, rear tire size 180/55 R17, front brakes 310 mm floating disc with radial mounted 4-piston calipers, rear brakes 256 mm disc with single piston caliper, dual channel ABS, wheelbase 60.4 inch, rear 26.5 degrees trail, 4.3 inch, seat height 32.3 inch. Itong seat height na to pwedeng makakabot to nasa 5'3", 5'4" hanggang 5'5" at 5'7" hanggang 6-footer. Fuel tank capacity 5.4 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption 47 kilometers per liter. Curb weight 524 pounds. Color per glare white, matte iridium gray, metallic, graphic black. Itong big bike na to naka parallel twin cylinder. At ito naman, ito yung kapares ng Triumph Tiger Sports. Pati yung shape ng mukha pares sila. Gusto lang itong Honda to, Honda. Ito yung bagong labas sa 2023 model. Tapos itong power naman niya 101 horsepower. Makukuha mo yung 101 horsepower niya nasa 7,000 RPM. Nasa 7,000 RPM. Ito naman yung torque niya 77. Ito nasa 6,000 RPM. Yung compression ratio 10 by 1 by 1. Yung transmission speed naman niya 6 speed. Fully semi-automatic. May automatic siya, pwede siyang automatic, pwedeng manual. Pwede siyang manual. Tapos yung clutch with multiplate naman at fully automatic naman. At yung panel drive 525 chain. At ito naka-show off work na rin at adjustable ng 5.9 inch. May gate 1 metro may gate. 1 metro may gate. Tapos yung rear suspension naman niya travel linkage assisted spring preload adjustable show shock. Pares din ito ng front tsaka rear. Pares din siya, pwede mong adjustable. At ano naman niya, ang SRP niya 706,000 pesos. Mabibili mo to either Honda Baliwag or Cabanatuan at Honda Makati sa may Honda flagship tsaka Motorcycle City. Kenta. Pwede mo to makuha. Or Cabanatuan doon mo pwede mabibili to. Pwede rin sa sa Commonwealth. Pwede rin mo mabili to. Pwede rin to sa Mindanao Avenue. At kung lagi ka nagagawin sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Subscribe, don't forget to comment and like description box below. Lalagay ko na lang yung kailangan sa description box, yung mga information sa baba. At ililink ko dito yung sa taas din yung link niya sa taas para madali nyo makita. At huwag nyo akong hayaan laging subscribe at click nyo yung bell button para ma-inform kayo sa bago kong i-upload na videos. Ito naman, magsha-shoutout na naman tayo. Shoutout kay Read for Speed, shoutout kay Jamie Control Vlog, shoutout kay Palubo sa Motovlog, shoutout kay Boss Vic Motovlog, shoutout kay Mabi Official, shoutout nga kay Nadshadul Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Jonathan Daviola Motovlog, shoutout kay Rich Sweet Potato Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Turning General, shoutout kay General Kamote, shoutout kay Hammerman Motovlog, shoutout kay Boss M ng Team Gravity, shoutout nga sa Idol Motovlog, shoutout kay Sarah Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Orion, shoutout nga sa Boris Performance Exhaust, shoutout kay Jerome Serrano, shoutout kay Kenji Motovlog, shoutout kay JB Katagumpay, shoutout kay Joe Motovlog, shoutout kay Joe Motovlog, shoutout nga sa inyo. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell for more updates, for more new uploads my videos. See you on the next episode. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next one. Babush.